बराह रास्त आपको लिए चलेंगे इस्लामाबाद। कायम मकाम सदर सैयद यूसुफ रजा गिलानी इस वक्त खिताब कर रहे हैं।
lot of facilities, that's federal lodges, I got them constructed. Even now, the lodges which are for the member parliament, I initiated. The best thing I initiated was that for bureaucracy, by the end of the tenure, they didn't have security. Like in the army, when they join the army, they get plots, they get houses. But similarly, I also introduced in I-81, I-82, I-83, I-84, that was the railway station. And I had also been the railway minister. I got it shifted to Golda on the main line and give this all land for the federal government employees housing society. And now, by the end of the tenure, every officer will have the ownership of a house. This I started it. If you expect honesty, integrity, dignity from an officer, what security he has? When he retires, the first time when somebody retired, her widow came to me. She said, the people have changed. My own husband was the federal secretary. Now he has died. And they are removing me from the house. I said, give them extension for 6 months. And then we gave this initiative that by the end of the career, they should be the owner of the house. Therefore, we have to give facilities to both bureaucracy and to the business community so that they can invest in Pakistan, they should get the facilities, and at the same time, the people working abroad, Pakistan, the Pakistani community, diaspora, they should bring the money to Pakistan in remittances. Therefore, I again, I pay tribute to Movenpick administration for giving this wonderful idea of 6 stars hotel. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.
पाकिस्तान में सरमायाकारी के बहुत से मौके मौजूद हैं। पाकिस्तानी सकाफ़त और खाने दुनिया भर में मशहूर हैं। मैं मशहूर हूँ कि मैं आज इस तकरीब में आया हूँ और आप सबसे बात करने का मौका मिला है। यूसुफ रजा गिलानी तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।